All right, so in order to install your new caliper bracket, obviously you want to remove your front caliper and you want to remove the old caliper bracket. So to install the new one, you want to take the original bolts, get some good Loctite on there, and spin these guys in. Be handy to have a drill with a 5mm head on it, just to get things a little snug. And then what we're gonna torque these guys at is about 12 to 13 Newton meters. All right, and then for your caliper, same thing. You want to get some blue Loctite on there, and we like to get the top in, and you just want to get maybe 1/4 of an inch of the threads in there so you've got some additional wiggle room, and then put the lower one in. That's also a 5mm. And just get those not tight, but to where the caliper can still wiggle around, because you want to realign your caliper. So when you mount your wheel, you're gonna spin your wheel and slowly drag your front brake and then hold it, and then you're gonna tighten the lower bolt first and then the upper bolt second.